donation from next generation, you know? Yeah, man, and the Pleasure Play family. So things set, man. So we are full of love. So we have to do it, you know? Alright, the generator is here. Full. Tank full of gas already.
What?
Yeah? Yeah. We make sure we full it.
That's nice.
Alright. Yeah, man. Mama.
Big up yourself.
Big up the crew. Next generation. Yeah, man. See that? Man house mash up, brother. John, my father, God. So we have to stop and give one elder something right, so. Alright, we'll give somebody else. Fear I'll stop the gun completely, guys. So. As I said, no light, no water, you understand? Yeah, guys, what's up, guys? Welcome back. Yeah, man, so I have a local story to go now, guys. So yesterday we know, so we went on the road. We went at St. Elizabeth, we went to new building, went to new building, Treasure Beach. Yeah, a couple local places to go, you know. Yeah, man, just me, my crew, yeah, which is the Pleasure Play family. Yeah, we went there to give back to all who was affected by Hurricane Beryl, you understand? Yeah, man. So, but we have a couple of sponsors to big up as well. So, pure water, much respect, give thanks. You don't know you reach. I will reach out to you guys and, you know, and mission accomplished. Yeah, man. We give a thanks. And Chow Brothers. Yeah. Richards. Dealer Grocery. Yeah, man. And big up Dwayne and his wife. Cause, yeah, you put in the work, you understand? Yeah, man. You put in the work, man. And you don't know. Next generation, we have to big up next generation and ourselves. Because you know, so everybody chip in. Father and son lifestyle chip in. The rest of the crew chip in. So, guys, let's keep back, relax, right? You know, and then we're up on the work, you know. I'm just do a little piece here, you know. So, yeah, man, we have to big up all of the sponsors, them, man. Really appreciate it, you know. It was a heartwarming. Me not tell a lie. Water almost run out of my eye, guys. You know, the people that go through it hard. Rough, man. No light, no water. See you made place hot like fire. Yeah, man. So, guys, check out the video. You understand? Yeah, man. Just want to sit back, relax. Get to the popcorn, you know. Get to the juice. Yeah, man. That is it, man. So, I'll show you where I go. I'll show you what we deal with. Alright? Boom. Blast. Go chew. Chew.
Welcome, guys.
Father and son lifestyle, you know?
Father and son lifestyle.
Yeah,
we
man.
out there doing.
Sergeant, where's
Sergeant.
Father, son, lifetime.
Say it. Yeah, guys, see that? Road we are load up, yeah? We are load up a touching at the center. Donation from next generation, you know? Yeah, man, and the Pleasure Play family. So things set, man. So we are full of love. So we have to do it, you know? Yeah, so we are pop up to take on the road. So we have put some ice on them igloo here. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you see, we are sweat. We not joke with the road, you know? You have to have kind heart and love people. Yeah, man. You have to see who we can help. That's a small donation, but you don't know we have to give. We have to give back to the people, them, man. Don't know how. Yeah. So I load up the van. I don't know if I never load my van. I load this the next one forward. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, see the guys. Load up my van, you know. Load up my van. So, RJ there. Oh, yeah, sir. Father and son lifestyle thing, you know. See, I want to the sponsor here, you know. Father read himself, you see it. So, you don't know a thing, man. I have to give back to, you know, in need. So, what's son do that igloo? Are igloo that's supposed to where we have a drink? Jeff. Oh, Jeff, I carry them, man. One Jeff. So, now I move out, leave them guys and wait for them on a spare tree, you know? It's a good look. General RJ out pan them, you know?
Daddy,
Eh? I'm soon reach, man. I just say we there reach half a spare tree hill. They are wait for Harville and Russell Crow. Doing Father Reed, you know? Great. You know, that's the thing there, you know? One a beautiful parish, St. Elizabeth. Yeah, got the sign up as some mark say we are live in Manchester. So here it is St. Elizabeth, you know. Yeah guys, stick around guys, cause you don't know. So we reach one on a location where we all start hands out. But the people then feel comfortable and feel nice. We bring some ice in that cars. No light, no water. So we have some bag ice in there we'll give out to, you know? Yeah. So guys, RJ here asked me a question. What did you say?
He said when we make water.
We make water?
Yeah. Can you tell me?
Tell you?
Yes.
Flesh and bone and organs that inside of you.
Me have blood in my body then.
And yeah, you have blood in your body too. So that is all created by God. Yeah? So God.
Bombia eat more dirt.
You clear not dirt?
Bombia,
Well,
but the Bombia thought about we make all that dirt.
that is story that I hear from the beginning. There you have Adam and Eve.
Daddy,
Eh? Listen what I'm saying.
we
Huh?
make all that dirt.
No, but listen what I'm saying. Listen to me. In the beginning, God created heaven and earth. And the first two persons God put on earth, they said was Adam and Eve. And they came from the dust, which is the dirt. So from there, mankind started to develop, you know, baby born. And from there, baby born again. You know, everyone get big, like myself and your mommy. So me and your mommy get big. And we create you.
We make all that dirt.
In the beginning.
Daddy, you sure so we make all that dirt? You sure so?
Guys,
Daddy,
guys, will you
Daddy,
please answer that?
Daddy.
Alright, I bet them answer this question for you, yeah?
Me sure so we make all that dirt.
What you make out of?
Blood,
Eh?
blood and bone.
Alright, you're correct. And flesh.
Daddy,
And your organs.
Daddy,
Alright, guys, stay
and
tuned.
heart.
Eh?
Heart.
Alright, my boy. Alright. Alright guys, we reach one of the locations, reach one of my wife yard, you know. Yeah. So we have got us this out some local things right here, so. Got them all. No light, no water as we tell you. I'll show no one in the area. We have a big up some sponsor same time too, you know. Don't you think I'm on the area. Mash up, place mash up. Yep. Show no where I go on to. Light post broke down so. When I drive go up back, I'll show a couple more light posts. Place mash up. Yeah. So. First thing we'll leave the generator so them can go and use it, guys. To charge up them phone so them can get some light. Yeah?
Big up, big up.
What you say?
Big up yourself.
Yeah man, big up the spine. And big up next generation. Yeah man, next generation. Pure water. Who again Avil? Chose brothers, you know? Yeah man, big up all of the sponsor them, you understand? Eh?
Like what you do.
Yeah. See the crew there? Big up the crew.
Big up your crew.
Yeah man.
Always.
So wife here move
All
shy.
respect.
Richard and Richard. Alright. We have to big up all of the sponsor them, so here we are do. Tommy, the generator phone if we go and charge up on the phone around here.
All chips are jack.
Yeah, put it. Tommy, so do you not call me? Alright, the generator is here, full. Tank full of gas already.
What?
Yeah? Yeah, we make sure we full it.
That's nice.
Alright. Yeah man, mama.
Big up yourself.
Big up the crew. Next generation. And pure water. You have to big up the sponsor them, you know. So, watch you now. Yeah man. Plug it in and test it to see how I go on. Plug in the card and plug in something to see how I go on. Where dead phone? Come with the phone and charger. PC! What's up? Wanna go and my friend Chris here? Yo, boy, I love this way, do pillow. I'm not lie. Yeah, man, have to, you know, look out for each other. I'm not tell a lie. Really appreciate it. Damn. Watch out, how you move, sir? Hear me, I say. 22% upon the phone. One phone plug in and it go lower. Now build up back, man. Alright. See there? I should have said to build up. Eh? It's not full one back. It's not full one back or two. But full it already still. But you know, I left have money get time because you can full some more. Buy some more gas and thing. You want some of my bag them up, below? Yes, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Thank you very much.
What you say? I'm a big friend. Hey, nah, I left her out and I'm a big friend, you know.
Thank you guys very much.
Yeah, man.
I thank you. I appreciate it. You're thirsty and hot.
Rest no light now there, eh?
Oh, Lord.
All right. So. It's a one location we have a deal, then we are go up on the next location. So you finish now, Villa? Alright guys, we're going to leave out and go up on a different location. Where's the pond? Yeah. Alright.
Big up the whole squad.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Champions to church, you know?
Alright.
Alright.
What's key? What we have to say? What's key? What we have to say? Alright. Come in, Tommy. Guys, I'm not tell a lie. Me down here, my hot like fire. Yeah? So you can imagine where them I got too long here after the hurricane here. Still have to give thanks, you know? We'll walk with the next one. Eh? I want to come to that, man. What brother does? Man, the man have on a shirt to the guys. Hello? Yeah. You don't know me have to link me G, you know. Yeah. What go on? We not there? Lifestyle. How you mean, man? I say a thing for go, man. Yeah, we there. We get some sponsors, so we are give back some things, you know. Yeah, man. See that? Yeah, man. You don't know. You have to care. Come. You have to link the G, you know. We can't pass him, you know. Yeah, man. Uncle Bob in that place, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We get some sponsors, so we just give back. So we get some ice, so we get some tea and thing,
Yeah.
and water in it. So
I bless you.
I have to give back to the people. You understand?
Bless you, no.
Yeah, man. Me and my friend them.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I have to check my wife into
Yeah, man. You tell me, I not left you out, man. Yeah, alright.
Mash up everything boy long time.
Yeah, man. I know, man. But
Mash up boy, if I mash up, you know.
I say it go, you know.
Yeah,
But
man, we just start up back
yeah, so we are roll through. Me soon come back, come link. You alright?
Yes, yeah, right.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stand me over there, sir, again. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself, yeah? Alright. I get some church sister. So we're on the go. Alright. Sponsor them, you know?
Okay, God bless you.
Yeah.
God bless you.
Do you pay?
Wonderful job. Why the number again?
Yeah. Go ahead. So guys. Yeah, man. Rough going on.
We can't take one more and say one more cup.
Them say one more forward, I don't know how manage to wallet. See there? Right. How much is that broken at? 2?
Yeah, man.
You never see the one around the yard.
Shadow was start.
3.
3 in all.
I don't know when I get current for real, man. I see them thing tweet say, we don't know when JPS are coming.
We eventually don't get current already because they thief the transformer. Which them say if they don't get back the transformer, we not get no night.
What do you mean them thief the transformer? What do I do with the transformer?
Them thief the transformer.
This is like cable space now.
Alright, I'll give somebody else. Fear I'll stop the gun completely, guys. So as I said, no light, no water. You understand? See there? See there? I'll stop the gun, guys. So I don't know it's part of the person there. Yeah, man. It's rough down here. See the guys? Look how time and look how scaly and put on clothes because we are doing a local thing, you know? But when we come back, then we give you time and, you know what I say? Nice little time and scallion and mostly of them things I plant down here, guys. Yeah. Guys, for your house stop they gone, you know. And so one over there, sir. Ease off. You know? So yeah, given this in this area, then we leave from an area go south side. Other side they get whole heap of damage. Oh, and give it. Hello, Auntie Dean. How are you? Make sure your towel stay good for you, you know. Alright. We'll come give a little donation from a friend here. Yeah, from Next Generation and a couple more person, you know. Because you see a roof they gone and the light not there and the water and them things. Do you understand?
Thanks.
So, yeah, man. So we'll come back, we're going to get Skellion on time. Can do some. We'll soon come back here. Alright. So, we'll move out, go up on our next location now, guys. Alright, well, what do you want? You want? Alright. So we'll go to our south side, come back and relax a little bit and we'll go up. Boy, them things are warm me out, guys. I tell you the truth. Yeah, man. My crew, yeah? For the ring there in that place, you see me? Yeah, man. Villa. Yeah, man, you see? Never stop. That's pure love, you see it? Yeah, man, see it there? Because you know, say, that man tell me what I go on down here, so my brother say, yo, you know, I come and go down there, go do everything, you know?
I saw Jamaica for run, man, with love.
With love. Alright, see it there?
All crime.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Who name Auntie Maisie? He glue the finish, just give him the bag alone. Alright? Yeah, man. You don't know anything, we link up, man. Every time, man. Alright. An old lady? Yeah, man, as long as it's an old lady, man, we have to take care of them. Yeah, man, we have to give to the people, man. Rice? Oh yeah, we're forward back. Alright. So we'll take on a journey now, guys, alright?
Lick up together. Right now. Right now. Alright, so then TV transformer right here, so.
Take care of one. It's a teeth.
Go on.
Yes. Pick up yourself, you know? Yeah.
Why the number again?
Yeah. Oh, but because junction, you know? No, Debbie no must pass over Jamaica.
Yes, man.
That is not a must. Yeah, we can't do it at the junction, you know? Look at the people, they won't stop the blower. Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have passed through that local package.
Oh, thank you.
Courtesy of Next Generation and Pure and children, brothers and the other grocery. So we have passed through with a local package. See there?
Thank you very much.
She said 3 times now our house stop blow up.
No, and me not have
Yeah.
a husband. My husband dead and gone, so
Yeah,
me have to take you now.
yeah. So that's a local small package. You have light?
No, sir. This me build the post down.
Hey! Bring a bag of ice for me, please. Yeah, man, it's rough. Right, rough man, them down here, guys. I tell you, rough man.
Actually, some guy come help me now. They not even charge me.
Yeah, they're not charging us.
So only the head man.
Mm-hmm.
Only him. But the other guys, my son friend them.
Yeah.
Come and give a hand.
Whole eye roof they gone.
The 3 bar.
Oh,
It's a
boy.
lucky thing we have one deck, one a back.
Yeah.
5 hours we pack up in a heap.
Charging one star.
5 hours we pack up in the day.
Yeah. Alright.
Yes,
Yeah, man, you take care of yourself, yeah, mommy?
yes, sir.
Yeah, man, alright?
I'm a sick person. I have sugar, pressure, cholesterol, and eye. We do laser
Cha-cha.
for my eye. Man.
Charging one star.
Take it easy, man.
Yes, sir.
Alright, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Guys, you hear that? Well, I'm afraid for them flag it and then flag it and let me I run pure water. Alright guys, we left from New Building. We are at Treasure Beach right now, you know? Yeah man, we're at Treasure Beach. They are going to do a little thing, you know? Same way. Yeah man, so stop. Show you where I go on, because that's a worst place. Yo, that's a damaged body. You know? Hey guys, that's a Treasure Beach side damaged body. God for it. Yeah man, see that? Man house mash up, brother. John, my father God. So we have to stop and give one elder something right just so.
I know make them video for them.
Come Tommy, back there sir.
They have a back. Between me,
Eh?
between me and walk. I'm a father.
Are your father? Alright, that's the word man.
Yeah, arthritis name.
I feel place that.
Yeah, man.
Charge you must I'm gonna get it wicked down here.
I send ticket in.
Me know say I send ticket to us.
Right now, like when I come today.
Yeah. Alright, see I'm back there. I make sure him get something going on back there. Well, I was not gone and thing, you know.
People that don't have anything or who get damaged by the rain. So I would like to give you this small token, maybe not much, but I hope you enjoy it.
So him can't walk, him have arthritis, man. Yeah, man.
Take care. That's okay.
Alright. No, man, me I take the melon now, because I told me I go back with it, you know. Me I take the melon, I give you a melon, guys, and I not leave it, you know, guys. I wanna.
Yeah.
You see that, guys? And so if I take a melon, I will not leave it. Alright, sorry, my boss. Alright, so you take care of yourself, you know? Yeah, man, I say go for real, yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, man. Alright. Oh, yeah, man.
Bad.
Okay. So
Yeah, guys, so stay tuned, alright? Yeah. Yeah, man, I say go, man. Alright, yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, man. Yeah. We are move on because we have to deal with some other people, you see me? No, we have some whole heap of people that deal with us, sir. When we are pass. I all I live here, we have to look out for you one anyway. Alright. Guys, who want Jeff who have video me a while ago, you know, like my wheel out for fly off. I got a tire shop yesterday and the man tight, he locked them. Eh? A good thing me have power with some good Samaritan, a good brethren. Yeah, sir. Yeah, so we're there at Treasure Beach. I roll through, so we are roll through down for the block. And then we roll come back up, you know? You say down the road damage?
Yes, man.
Alright.
Oh, video, live video.
One time in easy, you know.
Man say you should have put a rum in there.
Rum? Man say you want rum. Come in, cause time I run for away, you know. On a nice beach, you know. I change that tire in the blood. Man, a tight. Alright, we are from Kingston, you see it? Yeah, so you know we are past through cause. Eh? Yeah, man, somebody come to you, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. You give mommy a bag a while ago. Oh, I see him say he want a hug. Eh? Muta Baroka. Muta Baroka house that? See red, gold and green up there for real.
Somebody over the pink one? Can't call them ask to find it if you want.
So. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No, say storm hit down here wicked.
Wicked, man, wicked. But you know, since we bounce back quick, you know, so you come right now, storm the blow.
Yeah.
All of the street never have no leaf, you know.
Yeah.
All of them it's strip, all this is strip.
Yeah.
Everything have an again.
Okay.
But when we see them, the JPS them do look like that, man, do some bullet. Look, that the twist.
Yeah, my sister that twist that one fix. But here what, them have a whole heap of work for them on, you know.
But then they are part of the light post this up. Unless it's that the twist. And they like, come on, I see me.
Yeah, man.
And then go straight in it.
We're not start too long, guys, because we have some more people to give up.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, she said she get back light.
Yeah, we get back like yesterday evening.
Alright, so we are chat on. Yeah, man. Say it, come on. Yeah, man, every time, man. Alright. Yeah, man.
Them are different house. Different yard. Okay.
So,
Right at the brown one there. You just
them get her ready, so we could go up the block and see who else we can get. So, how it come like some part have light and some not have the light?
You know, just say go when light come back road back. Just there.
Can you hear generator run over there, sir? See, there's some people that have no light. Alright. Oh. Yeah. Do you not chew the load tire over here, so for that one there?
probably have this one. I'll look for
Them don't want to come from the other people.
Come on, them will come, but they just a wonder.
Oh,
Expect.
yeah man. Look at donation, you know?
Yes.
Yeah man, because we don't have no light and water and everything there, you know? We have to give, man. So you go on now, watch my general. Alright, that's a free. Yeah man.
Right, so can I show
For your family, you know? Drink up water. Oh, God. Rough guys. Bag in there. Oh, hold on. Like who not have the ice for you, you know? So I say, yo, it's not in the feed. Yo, it's a joy, this, you know? Yeah, man. Who you get that? How much people are here?
One fully.
Yeah.
About 12.
Give her a case of water then. Yeah man, give her a case.
I know that.
Damn it, I work, you know. Yeah man, each house. Yeah. Eh?
You know one.
Alright.
Excellent. Yeah, do it.
Yeah, remember say we have to give some people upside down, Marvin. Alright. Yeah guys, so you see it? They are distribute out things, you know? Yeah man. Yeah well, we soon big up the sponsor them, you know, the right way. And the real way, and who help out and who do this and who do that. They don't know, sir. Alright? Yeah.
You want? You want to call one?
So, no, I'm not going to video them. I'm not going to video them, man. So, yeah, well, guys, I'm not going to video the police because they don't like the camera. So, we'll give them some water, alright? Yeah. As I say, we stop at a police station. Them don't want to go up on the camera, so we're not going to video them, you know? So, we respect that. Yeah, so. Yeah, still, you have a look out for.
Oh, sorry, yes, my mistake. Sorry.
Yeah, it's a vibes, it's a vibes. Yeah, man, it's a vibes, man, you know? See the Treasure Beach. Yeah, man, Mountainside, Black River, Santa Cruz. So, we're at Tredan. Yep. Okay guys, this part was filmed by one of my good friend. Yeah. So you know, say for me they film it, I turn my phone the other way, but still capture a little piece of it, you know. Why? It was rough guys. Literally I almost cried. Yeah man, just to see the situation what these people have to go through in St. Elizabeth, you know? Why? And I give thanks to all of the sponsors, even myself, my friends. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we just give thanks. We just go out there and put out the hard work and know so we could give back, you know? Yes, guys. So, bless up myself.
You know who was living over there? If anybody was living over that house? Yes. I don't see them. Thank you so much. God bless you. So I don't need everything. I can't take what's wrong. You can.
Yeah, man, thing rougher road, man. People them, you know, everybody affected, the house them blow down. Everybody I try set up back. Just stay one place and make them forward, you know. Right in front of the church. Little lady in a green out there. She and flight green, but you know one of them think is a politics thing. But she's also a Rotarian for down that side, Treasure Beach side. Yeah. So do a little thing what we can do, you know.
Okay guys, as you can see, there is a main sponsor for what we have done. So thank you guys for watching and really appreciate the love, you know. One love, big up on yourself all the time. Okay?